Hey there, this is a small getting started into our software PixDrive Studio. After you installed and activated your license, you will start by adding your device. In this case, I'm using a WLED controller, which is already connected in the background, and listening to its IP 47. Connected to that WLED controller is an RGBW LED stripe with 37 LEDs. After you added your fixture, you can start by using the built-in lighting effects. On the right side, you can change its parameters. So for the solid effects, it's the colors. If I go black, I can also just use the white channel of my LED stripe. You can also use a rainbow effect. There you can adjust the parameter like speed, amount of segments in the rainbow, or even use a mirror effect to create a mirror that is inside the stripe. If the built-in lighting effects are too simple, don't you worry. You can use the scripting feature to build your own lighting effect based on the Lua scripting language. We have a couple examples right here, so you can see there are also parameters with your scripts. Let's execute that one. It's a wipe effect, which is changing its color. I can increase the speed. I can also make it quite slow. If you're not that deep into programming or scripting, you can just copy the instruction set for your favorite AI chat model like Claude or ChatGPT. And then you just use it as a reference, and then you tell your AI, hey, I would like to get a chaser, which is changing its colors and stuff like that. The third window is our sequencer, where we can use our built-in effects in a sequential timeline. So we start with a red effect. After that, we have a rainbow. And then let's have a color chaser. We can decrease our time to 15 seconds. And then we can actually export our whole sequence to Advatech file, which is a professional LED controller, or a custom WLED binary. So we can use a user mod, which is linked in our documentation, to play these pre-recorded effects on WLED devices. Also, you can use TPM2 export formats for your own devices. For debugging purposes, you can also check out the DMX monitor, where you can see which channel gets which value. But also you have a 2D view, so you get some basic idea of what your LED fixture is doing. If you work in a two-dimensional space, you can actually add your fixture to a canvas. If you have multiple fixtures, you can just change its position in that canvas, and then also other LED fixtures onto that 2D space, so they have a correlation between each other in that lighting effect. This was the short introduction into PixDrive Studio. I'm really looking forward to your feedback, and let me know if you have any other questions.